In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the 3D zoom effect in CapCut PC. If you want to give your video more depth, energy, and a more dynamic camera feel without changing your original clip itself, this is a very simple way to do it. We'll be using CapCut's effects panel to add a 3D zoom style effect as a separate layer, which makes it easy to control and adjust inside your timeline. To begin, look to the top left area of the CapCut interface, where the main application menu is located. In that global menu area, click on the button labeled Effects. Once you click it, CapCut will open its effects library, which contains a large collection of visual effects that you can drag and drop directly into your project. This is the section you want whenever you're adding a styling layer instead of changing the settings of the original video clip. Next, go to the search field at the top of the panel. Click inside that search bar so your cursor is active there, then type either 3D zoom or zoom lens. After that, press enter. CapCut will immediately filter the available effects and show you the matching results below. This makes it much faster than manually scrolling through the full library, especially if you already know the name of the effect you want to use. Once you see the effect tile you want, click and hold on its thumbnail card, then drag it down into your timeline workspace. Make sure you drop it on the track directly above your video clip, not on the clip itself. This is important because placing the effect on its own separate track gives you better control over when the effect starts and stops. It also keeps your base footage untouched, which is helpful if you want to make changes later without reworking the original clip. After the effect is placed in the timeline, you can adjust its duration by dragging the left or right edge of the effect block. Stretch it longer if you want the 3D zoom to last for more of the clip, or shorten it if you only want that movement to appear during a specific moment. This is the easiest way to control exactly where the dynamic zoom begins and where it ends. And that's it. By opening the effects panel, using the search bar to find the right effect, dragging it onto a track above your footage, and adjusting the duration boundaries, you can quickly add a polished 3D zoom look in CapCut PC. You're all set.